Hello dear students and viewers. Today I have published a new video for you. Those who are interested to know narration, the changing of direct speech into indirect speech, I have published this video for them. I have published my another video relating to narration, direct speech and indirect speech before. Today I am going to discuss some important changing of narration, direct speech into indirect speech. So we should discuss the items one after another. Assertive sentence. Exercise, practice at home. Assertive sentence. Today we will discuss assertive sentence. We must know what is assertive sentence. I have already discussed about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, the sentence which is formed subject plus verb plus object if any, it is assertive sentence, and there is a full stop at the end of the sentence. Reporting verb, I have already discussed what is reporting verb. Reporting verb, say, said, reporting verb. We know that reporting verb expresses the statement. Through reporting verb, say, said, we deliver the statement which is in the inverted comma. It is called reported speech. Reporting verb, say, said, will be changed into say, said, tell, tells, told, according to tense, in case of changing active voice into passive voice. Conjunction. What will be conjunction? Conjunction will be that. Conjunction will be that. As it is assertive sentence, in order to change direct speech into indirect speech, inverted comma will be omitted and there will be that as conjunction. We must remember that every sentence, indirect speech, every indirect speech, either assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative or exclamatory, all the sentences will be in assertive form. At the time of changing direct speech into indirect speech, we must remember that the indirect speech will be always assertive sentence. Direct speech. She says, I am staying at home. She says, I am staying at home. Indirect speech will be, she says that she is staying at home. What will be? She says that, inverted comma will be omitted. She says that I will be changed as she, because I first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. There is subject she, so I will be she, because I is nominative case and subject she, subject she. What will be? She says that she is. After she there will be is, and tense will not be changed because says is present indefinite tense, reporting verb is present indefinite tense, so reported speech, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Okay. She says that she is staying at home. Next. Number 2, direct speech. The boy said to me, "You are my friend." The boy said to me, "You are my friend." What will be? The boy said. Said to is past tense. What is it? It is past tense. As it is past tense, said to, the tense of the reported speech will be changed correspondent past tense. What will be the tense? Tense will be correspondent past tense. So the boy told me, or the boy said to me, or the boy told me. If there is said to, for example, if there is any object, the said to may be changed. The boy told me that you, second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, me. Me object, you subject, so me will be turned into subject, nominative case. What will be? Me, I, as you is subject here. The boy told me, or the boy said to me. Said to me or told me. The boy told me that I was his friend. How? You will be changed according to me. Me, object of reporting verb. Second person. Second person, we must know, second person in the reported speech will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. So you will be changed as I, because you is subject here, me subject I. What will be? The boy said to me, or the boy told me that I was, because you are, present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense will be past indefinite tense, because the reporting verb is past tense. If reporting verb is past tense, reported speech will be changed according to tense of reported speech. Reported speech tense, present indefinite tense. You are my friend. So it will be past indefinite tense. So how can we change? The boy said to me, or the boy told me that I was. My will be his. R will be was. My will be his. Because my first person, we must know the first person in the reported speech will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. The boy third person, my first person. So first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. The subject of reporting verb is the boy third person. So my possessive case, the boy possessive case, his. The boy is equal to he is equal to his, because my possessive case, the boy possessive case, he, his. So what will be? The boy said to me, you are my friend. The boy said to me, or the boy told me that I was his friend. Okay. Next number. Number 3. Direct speech. Father said to us, I am trying to contact you today. I am trying to contact you today. Father said to us, I am trying to contact you today. What will be? We must remember that there is past tense, reporting verb, past tense. We must remember, if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be changed according to tense correspondent past tense. The reported speech is in present continuous tense. I am trying to contact you today. Father said to us, said past tense. So the tense of reported speech will be correspondent past tense. Present continuous will be past continuous. So what will be? Father said to us or father told us. Told us because there is said to. Us object. So we can change said to into told. Father told us or father said to us that I first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Father. Father third person. So there will be he. Bracket. In the bracket there will be if. So what will be? Father told us or father said to us that I father. Father he. He within first bracket there will be if. It indicates father. Father said to us or father told us that he within first bracket if was trying to contact, was trying, as it is present continuous, it will be correspondent past continuous. He was trying to contact you second person. We know that the second person of reported speech will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. What? You, us. You object, us object. So us will not be changed. Instead of you there will be us. You object, us objective case, you objective case. So there will be us. Us will not be we because you object here. So us object us. What will be? Father said to us or father told us that he was trying to contact us today, that day. We must know today will be that day. Nearest word will be farthest word. Today, that day, this, that, now, then, ago, before, etc. So what will be? Direct speech into indirect speech. Father said to us or father told us that father was trying to contact us. You will be us because you second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb us. Us today, that day. Okay. Next number. Number 4. Direct speech. The principal said to the students, I have already sent you the message just now. The principal said to the student that the principal said to the student, what will be indirect speech? The principal said to the students, said to past tense. You must remember, said to past tense. The principal said to the students or the principal told the students that I first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb principal. Principal third person, there will be he, within bracket there will be P, principal. The principal said to the students or this principal told the students that he, principal, have already sent. Have will be had. We know that if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be changed according to the tense correspondent past tense. I have will be he had already sent. You second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb students. So there will be them. Them you will be changed into them because the students are third person pronoun them. You object. So students is equal to they is equal to them. So you is object here. So students is equal to they is equal to them is object. So there will be them. The message just now will be just then. Nearest word will be farthest word. So there will be just then. Okay. The principal said to the students, I have already sent you the message just now. What will be? The principal said to the students or the principal told the students that he had already sent them the message just then. Okay. Next number. Number 5. Direct speech. Mother said to her children, I was going to give you some food yesterday. Mother said to her mother said to her children, I was going to give you some food yesterday. What will be? There is said to past tense. You must remember the reporting verb is past tense. The reported speech will be correspondent past tense. So, mother said to her students, I was going to give you some food yesterday. What will be? Mother said to her children, or mother told her children that I will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb mother. So I will be changed into mother she. That she was going past continuous tense, it will be changed past perfect continuous tense. We must know past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense according to the rule of changing direct speech into indirect speech, correspondent past tense. So what will be? Mother said to her children, or mother told her children that she had been going to give you. You second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb children. Children plural number third person, so there will be them. What will be? Mother said to her children, or the mother told her children that she was going to give them some food. Yesterday will be changed the previous day, or the day before yesterday. What will be? The day before yesterday or the previous day. What will be? Mother said to her children, or mother told her children that she had been going to give them some food the previous day or the day before yesterday. Previous day, either previous day or the day before yesterday. So dear students, you must follow the lecture and try to listen to me what I am saying for you and what I am discussing about the direct speech into indirect speech. And if you follow my link K Mondal Digital Study YouTube channel, I hope that you will find many published videos which will be helpful to you. So you are advised to follow my link K Mondal Digital Study YouTube channel. I wish you every success in life. No more today. Thank you all.